on today's video I'm going to show you a copy and paste strategy that you can use to make money on Digistore24. This method is beginner friendly, it does not require any skills, it does not require any investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your Digistore24 accounts. Once you create and log in, what you have to do is that come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see different categories of products that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see animals and pets, you can see betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationships, email marketing, education, family and kids, fashion and the rest. So you can select products in any of these categories to promote and then earn money on Digistore24. As you can see a whole lot of different products, you can come right here and then click on physical products so that you can find different physical products that you can promote. So on this video today I'm going to show you how to promote physical products so that you can be earning money on Digistore24. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, physical products. Once you click on physical products, you are going to select supplements so that you can get supplements to promote. Once you click on supplements, you can see this product right here, Metric. This is the product that is getting a lot of sales under this category. You can see the commission rate is $153.54. So anytime you get a sale, that is the amount that you are going to earn. When you scroll down, you can find a lot of different products that you can promote. You can see this one right here, the commission rate is $104.22. As I scroll, you can see another one right here and then many others. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to promote this particular product right here. To promote the product, you have to just come right here, click on it, copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click through this particular link and then purchase the product for you to earn money on Digistore24. So I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to get traffic to this particular product for free without paying for anything. So the next step is that you are going to come on Google, search for how to lose weight fast. Once you search for that, you can see different blog posts about how to lose weight fast. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to open one of them so that we can use it to promote the product. So I've just selected this one right here, how to lose weight fast, 9 scientific ways to drop fat. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the body of the article. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to copy it so that we can use it to promote the product. This is the first point. You are going to highlight it and then copy everything in the article. Just copy everything. Just copy everything. You can see we have 9 points. Just copy everything. Once you highlight it, just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to search for this particular boat, spinboat.com. So once you search for spinboat.com, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to use this particular boat to rewrite the article for us. So just paste your article that you've copied right here. Once you paste it, you can see your article right here. You can see the number of words. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to copy and paste the introduction right here. So just go back to the article and then copy the introduction. So just come back to the article. You can see this is the intro. So you are going to highlight and copy everything. So just highlight the intro right here. Once you highlight the intro, just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to the boat and then paste it on top right here. Just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So once you paste everything about your article onto the boat, the next thing is that you are going to click on basic spin so that it can rewrite the article for you. Just click on it, basic spin. Once you click on it, you can see it is rewriting the article. Now as you can see right here, the article has been rewritten. This is the original one and this is the rewritten one. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to use the rewritten article to promote the product. Once you rewrite the article, the next thing is that you are going to come to this website, articlebeast.com. This website allows you to submit articles for free. You are not going to pay for anything. As you can see, you can submit articles to any of these categories. You can see arts and entertainment, food and drinks, family, business, home, pets, shopping. We have news and society, self-improvement, computers and technology. We have autos and tracks. You can see sports and recreation, finance, social issues. You have reference and education, health and fitness, travel and leisure. So our article is in the health and fitness category. So what you have to do is that you have to click on submit article so that you can submit your article onto this website. Once you click on submit article, you are going to type your name right here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email address. Once that is done, you are going to enter the title of your article right here. So right here, you are going to paste the title of your article. You can see this is the title of the article. Once that is done, you are going to select the category of the article. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different categories that you can select. So just scroll down and then select the appropriate category of the article. So just scroll down and then we are going to find the health and fitness category. So when you come to health and fitness, you can see that they have subcategories. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see weight loss. Select that. So our article is in the health and fitness category. The subcategory is weight loss. So once that is done, you can see this is where you are going to paste the body of your articles. So you are going to come back to Spinboard and then copy your article, or if you have saved your article on a Word document, you are just going to go back and then copy your article. In case your article is still on Spinboard, just come right here, click on copy so that you can copy it. Once you copy your article, you are going to come back to article base and then paste the body of your article right here. As you can see, that has been done. So now what you have to do is that you have to just check your article, just scroll down and then check everything about the article. If everything is okay, you are going to come right here, resources box. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. You are going to paste it as a resource. So anytime people read this particular article, they are going to check the resources box so that they can click through and then purchase the product. So you are going to type your call to action right here. As you can see, this is my simple call to action right here. I am a weight loss blogger who like to try different weight loss programs. You can check out one of my favorite weight loss programs here. As you can see right here, you are allowed to add your links inside this box. You can see it right here. Website address, you can see maximum of 2 URLs. You can add as much as 2 links on this particular box. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to copy your affiliate link and then paste it here. So just come back to Digistore24. Once you come back to Digistore24, you are going to highlight and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for this website, bit.ly.com. Once you search for that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it here, click on shorten so that it can shorten your affiliate link. Once that is done, you are going to click on copy so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your article and then paste it at the resources box. So just paste it right here. Once that is done, you are going to come right here. You can see they want to test you. So you can see 6 multiplied by 2. So you have to enter the answer right here. Just enter the answer right here. That is 12. So once that is done, you are going to come right here. Notify me when a user comment is posted for this article. So we want to get people who comment. Once that is done, you are going to click right here. I accept and agree to article B's terms of service. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on continue so that your article will be published onto this website for free. As you can see right here, please review your article submission for completeness. As you can see right here, this is your article. So now what you have to do is that you have to read through your article. If there is any information missing, you can edit it and then republish it. So as you can see, this is my lengthy article. You can see the affiliate link right here. It is working. So anytime people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product that I'm promoting so that they can make a purchase for me to earn money on Digistore24. So now that the information is correct, the next thing is that you are going to go ahead and then publish it. So just scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you are going to click right here, submit for review. So just click on it. So once you click on submit, you can see your article has been submitted. So now what you have to do is that you have to check your email inbox so that you can verify your email for your article to be published. You can see it right here. So if you have not gotten a verification email, you are going to click right here, send another verification email so that you can verify your email accounts. Once you verify it, they are going to approve your article so that you can get people to read it on this website and then take the action for you to make money on Digistore24. Or apart from this website, you can also publish it on another website that works like this. So you are also going to come to this website, articlefactory.com. Once you are here, you can see you can publish article in these categories. You can see business, finance, health, technology, travel, family. So just click on submit here so that you can follow the same steps so that you can also submit your article onto this website. This also works like article B, so you can just click right here, submit article, so that you can submit your article to get people to read it and then click through your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to earn money on Digistore24. It's very simple. It does not require any skills. So just copy and publish your articles onto these two websites that I've shown you so that you can be making money on Digistore24. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.